বুশরা ফাতুল্লাহ ইংরেজি সংজ্ঞা বলবে, এর পাশাপাশি ওদের বই থেকে ওদেরকে পড়া ধরা হবে। এরা দুইজন আমাদের আলমগীর ভাইয়ের ছেলে, আমাদের ডক্টর ওসমান গনি সাহেব হাফিজাহুল্লাহ বড় ছেলের সন্তানেরা।
Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. How are you? Alhamdulillah, I am fine. And you? Alhamdulillah, I am fine also. Who has created everything for us? Allah has created everything for us. How do you know Allah has created everything for us? Just look carefully at the sky. How beautiful it looks. Who has created the sun? Allah has created the sun. Who has created the moon? Allah has created the moon. Who has created the sky? Allah has created the sky. Who has created the stars? Allah has created the stars. Who has created the lily? Allah has created the lily. Who has created the fish? Allah has created the